Okay. Malingkod na si David. Sige, ako yung unang shots na saan. Iwa pa lang ang baho. I love. Sige na ako po sabay. So here's to your first day as a little lady but forever our baby. So I'm going to toast for your success. Let me ring you. Okay, hasang-sas na lang kayo. Okay, next activation! Then you really say I want to be for 5 seconds. So I'm just going to wish you all the best. Really achieve all the dreams. Continue to be my partner in crime. Okay, next is the Saisa. Cheers sa imong. Happy Legality Day ka na. Ako lang. I'm the girl na love the most. I'm a super. Kanina shot is para sa imuhang kaayuhan. Halang kita, happy birthday and I love you so much. Okay, next, Samantha Margaret Batukan.
Hi, Jane. Hi, Jane. It's your 18th birthday. Kuan, di ako mag-long message. Okay, kibong joke. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best in life. I wish you success, good health, and happiness. And to me, you're not just a friend, you're also a family. Cheers to adulthood and all the things awaiting ahead of you. Happy birthday.
Next, we have Hanako Tamidon.
Cheers to you. Ikaw na cheers na cheers. Cheers.
Okay, next kay Kian Sanchangko. Next kay Margaret Phoebe Vicentilio.
Cheers to more away. Cheers to kaon. I hope that happy birthday, Jane. Love you.
Next, Kim Chin Biho. Cheers for a lifetime of health. Okay, next. Krista May Perez. Of course, first of all, happy birthday to you. Never imagined that one day so but I'm pretty sure today just to let everyone know. Just to let everyone know. I don't know James since our high school days at the academy. And we were best friends for quite a long time. He was always my school girl, my ano tapos once may hugas na sa likod, I don't know if magpulipin mahimong magasto ang kwarta. Once may puyugin ko sa cafeteria, kay mamalinta, may Jane ko, and nagkakaroon ko paghapon mo ulit. She was also once my seatmate to the point na nag-emoji ka mga formula sa calculus. Yeah, ang answer and check ang solution. So yun. And lastly, her house became my second home. And I'm especially grateful Nanay Dates for always cooking me delicious guisado. And Jane was once my person. I mean, kung ano man hapon, until now, smiling trace life changes and our bond before is different than now. Jane knew everything about me, even the guys I talk about. And it seems that that's still the case until now. Looking back at those memories, it was truly wonderful. But as time goes by, many things change. One thing I know is that both of us have changed. We have differences now, especially among our group of 5, Sam, Yang, Saida, Jane, and also me. Because we're in different schools and have new circle of friends. Daghan po nakuhaan. But as Jane said, not everything is worth fixing, so move on. Anyway, thank you Jane for allowing me to celebrate this special day with you. Because of you, we had a small reunion among friends. So again, happy birthday, enjoy your day with friends and family. Love you. See you around sa Canada. Hey, thank you. Okay, up next si Krista kay si Nice. And I proxy si Nice. Rhea. So, happy birthday, LJ. May years ever shut down. Okay, next, guys. Next is Bispy Hillary Carano. Here's to sharing lives. Wishing you Thank you. Next is Althea Nicole Gustome. Gutosme, sorry. Make this shot, just like our friendship. LJ, this shot is for you. Next is Danica Chelsea Magambia. Bye. Bye so much.
Let's raise a toast to the girl you love the most in the whole world. Please don't say my name. Please don't say my name. Ellen Jane. I already died.
Next we have Bea Marie Palmera. Happy birthday, LJ. Cheers to share experiences, especially yung magiging tour sa Carmen. Every ila kayo, kita ng mga Next, we have Ray Aldred Duran.
So, happy birthday, Jay. Thanks to the shot, the photos, the memories. May your light be shared, so that we come to share and feature divine wisdom throughout our lives. Happy birthday.
Next is Maria Ayesa Cabajo.
Hello day again. So, cheers to the beginning of adulthood and cheers to our many years of friendship. Happy birthday, Jane. I love you so much.
Next we have Jinky Espina. Jinky Espina. Beijing Jinky Espina. Next we have Bernie Matthew Maningo.
Okay.
So, naman sa kanila, I just want to thank you for making this world a better place just by being in it.
Yay, thank you. Okay, now.